Right, so as we continue with the incomplete part 1, let's start with, let's start with the first part. So we'll finish the schematic of the first part. We already completed the schematic for the second part for the circuit diagram. So I'm going to launch Express Schematic. And let's open the file really. So I click on Open File. And yeah, electronics and schematic. Let's supply. Yeah, that should be the file. Let's click Open. So that isn't the file, is it then? Yep, okay. Yep, out here. Mm, right, that is the file then. Yeah, that's the file. So fine, we'll just, oh, that was a bit too big. What I'll do is just adjust this a bit, and what we'll now do is we'll add the first part. So this part is still pending, so we'll finish off with this part. So the diode, the input pin, and C2, that is the capacitor, they all three are connected. So the diode, the input pin, and the capacitor, they all three are connected. What now remains is from here we connect another capacitor in parallel to this capacitor. So I'll come back here, and that is an electrolytic capacitor. So what I'll do is I'll click on the component here. I select the electrolytic capacitor. Yeah, that's the polarized capacitor. I'll place it over here. Placing it a little closer. And now I'll insert the wire. So I'll place a wire and bring it here. Connect it over here. Then I press the space key so that wire is connected. Same thing here. I'll connect it. So this part of the circuit is now almost complete, and so this part now remains. We need a bridge of the diodes whereby the two cathodes are connected and two anodes are connected. So let's come here and let us insert the diodes. So diode 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and what I'm doing here is we are connecting the two cathodes together. Out here from the diagram we can see that two cathodes are connected and two anodes are connected here. So we'll rotate this. We'll rotate this. Right, and this also we rotate. And the fourth one, yes, these two also we connect here. So both the cathodes are connected, so I'll select place a wire. I connect them over here with these two pins, space bar. I connect both the anodes here, and right, so this pin is now connected over here. So this is now connected here, and this pin is now connected over here. So this bridge is now ready. And what next do we need? The junction of the two anodes that I see here, it is now connected to the ground. So let's come here. We take a wire from here, bring it down here, and we connect it here. And the other pin that we have, this, both the cathodes that are connected, they will be connected over here with the electrolytic capacitor and the inputs. So this particular joint, we connect this particular joint out here, spacebar. So this is how we connect all the diodes. Now the diodes with which their cathodes are connected, they are what? They are D2 and D3. Okay, so let's come here. Wait, yeah, we'll change the orientation also. That's D2. And this is what? This is D3. And yes, so we have now connected D2 and D3, and now let's check for the connections of D1 and D4. D1, yes, it's not connected. D1 and D4, they are connected to the earthing, and D4 is connected to D3. Let's check it here. D4 is connected to D3, so this is D4. I click OK, and this particular diode is D1. So whilst you are performing, whenever you're drawing any circuitry, it is important for you all to understand the part numbers and the part IDs also. Um, so now let's connect the transformer here, and then that'll be a lot more easier. So then eventually you would have completed the complete circuit. We would have drawn the entire schematic. And out here you can see this is AC in. It's an SPST switch. That's a fuse, and that's a transformer, step down transformer. So let's click on component here, and we select, yeah, transformer, small. You place it over here, and you also select a small SPST switch, place it over here somewhere, the switch. Right. You place the switch over here somewhere. And so this is connected, the transformer is connected across the junctions of D1, D2 and D3 and D4. Let's come here. D1, D2, that is out here, and D3 and D4 is out here. Okay, the switch is connected over here somewhere. So this particular point, this particular pin of the transformer is connected with D2, D1 and D2 here. So it is connected here. So we'll place a cable. And this particular pin is connected between D1 and, oops, wait, let's check it again, D3 and D4. So it's connected over here. And yeah, that's a switch which is connected with this particular pin. Yes, it's connected here, and we have another fuse connection here. This is the pin, and we have the fuse. So let's select fuse. Is it available? We need to check it. Yes, we have a fuse here. So placing a fuse here, rotate it. So this particular point out here, and we place a 230 volts AC connection here. We click this here, power supply. Is there a battery that we can place here? Let's take a battery and place it over here. Let's see if there is any other 230 volt available here. Okay, so we do not have any 230 volt here in the given list. So let's connect it over here, and then we'll make the changes to the battery. So we place a wire, connect this, and we'll drag this down here. So this is how your overall circuit connection will appear and look like. Let's change this here. That's 230 volts. If you want, we can make some changes here. So and here out here we need to provide the ground connection, so we'll place it somewhere over here. Okay, so that would be power ground, and I'm placing it over here. So this is how we connect the electrical schematic in the Express PCB software. And so let's once again take a quick look here. Yeah, that's the output 1.2 volt to 30 volt, and that was a switch. So with this, you are now able to draw the electronic schematic using the Express schematic software.